Hey guys, is your PC slow or still running an old version for Windows? Today I'll show you how to download Microsoft 11 for free from directly Microsoft official website. No risky, no cracks, 100% safe. Okay, first we should go Google Chrome, type here Windows 11 download. Here you can see the top first download Windows 11. Click here, scroll down. Here you can see download Windows 11 disk image and select Windows 11 multi-edition. Click confirm. Select the product language. Choose English. Click confirm. Okay, let's last option. Click 64-bit download. So they ask to download save. Click save. OS is downloading. We successfully downloading the Windows 11. So please wait for downloading. If your network is good, you can download within a minutes. Hey guys, we have successfully downloaded the Windows 11 OS. Click here. Here the file is ISO. We just extract here. Right click. If you have a WinRAR software, click extract to. The file is extracting. Yeah. Go to the folder. Click setup. Hey guys, if you want to know how to install Windows 7, please comment below. I'll update the next video. That's it guys. Thank you.